quick one before I start this video. I know my uploads are slow on YouTube, but I also upload on TikTok and Instagram. And I've got a few videos out like part 1, part 2, part 3 of jerk chicken pizza. And I've got a jerk chicken pasta and atta vegetable curry coming soon. Obviously more videos on YouTube and stuff like that. So yeah, just go follow them and links are in the description. So easy access in it. And also help me to help you and other people by subscribing if you haven't already, liking the video, sharing the video, and leaving in the comments what you would like me to teach you how to cook and other suggestions. As you can see by the title, today we're making Jamaican fried dumplings. But here on Chef Harvi, we don't do simple. I'm adding extra flavors and seasonings to my dumplings to enhance the flavor. Alright, so if you try this recipe, then enjoy. And leave in the comments or DM me on Instagram how it tastes. And so I use warm water, but I guess you can use any temperature water. Probably not hot, but like, yeah, room temperature or warm. So just bring it together, add the water slowly though. If you know how to make like pizza dough, pastries, roti, bread, then you can easily do this recipe. I'm going to show you a technique how to get the dumplings nice and round like a round ball. Just tuck your fingers in, place the dough on your palm or on a flat surface, and then just twist it, roll it out in a circular motion. It should be alright. I would say just leaving them on the lowest heat depending on how big the flame is. When the dumplings are cooked, add them to a container with some kitchen paper in the bottom to soak up some of the oil. This is my jerk chicken pasta that will be out on my TikTok and Instagram this week. But depending on when you're watching this video, it might be out already. And this is my saltfish and callaloo, so if you would like a video of how I made it, then just leave in the comments. Next time on Chef Harvi.